Welcome back to Algebra 2, Chapter 8, Section 5 in this book. And what we're talking about is logarithms. Those sound fun, right? And smart and fancy. Okay, so we talked about how to do logs and why last video. This time are some properties of logs. And the reason why you used to have to do this is because we didn't have the TI-84 graphing calculators, and so you would have to mess with the logs to be able to solve them without the calculator. So why are we learning this in 2020? You will use this crossing out. You'll be able to expand logs, contract logs, pull things out of logs, and then mark them out, which is very fun, because it's very fun to mark out math. It's as good as popping bubble wrap. It's even better, I think. Marking out hard math is fun. Alright, so this is the product. If you have a log and two things are multiplied, you can separate them by adding. If they're divided, you subtract. The one in the numerator goes first, the one in the denominator is second. If you have where you've got a log raised to a power, then I imagine the power's on a swing because it goes whee and it swings around front. Okay? This used to be really important back in the day because we didn't have where you could do different bases on our calculators. We could only, when we finally got calculators that could do logs, they could only do base 10. So there's a thing called the change of base formula. So if you have a log of some base that's not 10, 2, and then this is your number here, you can put log base 10 of that number on top and log base 10 of the base on bottom. So this number right here, this little base goes there, the big number goes there, they're base 10s, you can do them on your calculator. Or say, then we got the natural log base, the natural log button, and we could use that too. It works the same way. You put the little number down here, the big number here, and you can use the natural log. So that used to be real important. Not so much anymore, but these are still real important. Okay, so let's show you, your instructions you will have will be to expand, and I said or retract, but really they'll say condense, okay? So I have log base 5 of 3/7. So it's dividing, so I can do log base 5 of 3, the numerator, minus log base 5 of 7, the denominator. Now if you want the answer to this, you do it on your calculator, okay? You know how to do that, and you might need to put that in parentheses on your calculator, or use your alpha y equals shortcut where you've got numerator and denominator. You just want to make sure your calculator knows what's in the numerator and what's in the denominator. Okay, log base 5 of 21, we could change that into log base 5 of 3 times 7, which is log base 5 of 3 plus log base 5 of 7. So this is something where we can cancel something out or get rid of it. That's why we would want to do it. Log base 5 of 49, log base 5 of 7 squared. You put the 2 on the swing and you say whee as it swings around. Okay, so it's 2 log base 5 of 7. Okay, so here's a fancy one. Expand log base 2 of 7x to the third power over y. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of the division bar by making it subtract. Then I'm going to break up this 7 times 3x, 3x cubed, like that. Then I'm going to take this 3, put it on its swing, and swing it around, doop, 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 and there it is, all expanded. And then, we could do something with it after we expanded. This one they want us to condense. So what I did first was put this on its swing and make it swing back up there. Then I did that, 2 squared is 4. Then I put these together because they can multiply because they were added. So 6 times 4 is 24, it rhymes. And then these are now subtract, so they're divide. And 24 divided by 3 is 8. So these are kind of fun. I hope you like them. I think they're really fun. They're fancy math. And it's fun because you get to use your calculator. Alright, come back and we'll do more about solving equations with these things. Math is great.